In the latest 10th Man podcast, Kathy Hochul gets re-elected governor of New York even after 10 people are shot at Tops Supermarket. She's only governor in the first place because her predecessor, Andrew Cuomo, was impeached for honking someone's boobs. So bang bang, you're in, but honk honk, you're out. Yeah, and I get it. The honkies' lives were shattered, but they still, had lives. Listen to the 10th Man podcast, episode 7, for several comparisons of who stayed and who left and see why violent crime continues. Hint, if your constituents get shot, you get re-elected every time.